What's going on, guys? In today's project we're talking about a really trash pair of Footjoy Classic golf shoes. Now if you take a close look at these, both shoes have completely split right across the flex point there. The rubber part has completely perished and they're just falling apart. So what we're going to be doing with today's project is completely stripping them apart, rebuilding them back up to their former glory. So join us today for the full Footjoy Classic rebuild. Alright, so now it's time for the breakdown process on these much loved Footjoy Classic golf shoes. Now that huge split across the sole there has essentially made them completely unwearable. So to fix that, we're going to strip these guys completely apart and rebuild them back up to their former glory. So join us today for the full Footjoy Classic rebuild. So there's our cleats underneath the heel there, so we're going to keep them and reuse them for the new heels. Okay, so we've used the blade there and we've cut all these old stitches that holds all these soles on, so it should just peel up nice and easy now. So underneath this waterproof lining is our metal plate. So we're going to reuse that for the new soles. Alright, so that's our shoes completely stripped down. We still have a little bit of cork left to get up, but before we do that, I want to glue all the gemming down because it's really coming loose underneath there. And that will allow us to sand this part using the gnome keg. So we're using the old sole as a template for the new sole, and we're just going to mark in between each of these lugs so we know where to punch the new holes. So that's the glues on our shoes, nice and dry, and on the soles as well. So we're going to pop these into the heat lamp, and that's going to reactivate those glues and get them tacky, and get them stuck onto the soles. So we're going to use this groover tool here, groove the channel around the sole for the stitches to lie in. Okay, so now we're going to get these soles stitched on. At the moment we have double white in the machine. We're going to keep the white in the bobbin, just going to make sure that we've got enough in there. Yep, that's all good to go. So we're going to be changing the thread that goes through all the machine to a brown. And we're good to go. I think everyone's there having their Christmas night out because it's rowdy out there. Alright guys, so this is completely done with this week's major restoration project. These Footjoy Classics came in at the shop in a sorry looking state with those split soles, everything was falling apart. But we managed to get these guys rebuilt back up to their former glory and looking super fresh. So as always, let me know what you think about the finished results in the comments below and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace!